see what this way leads to. It leads to more guards. I have only one dart remaining.
It's just a matter of time, bud. You and him leave. Get up. Maybe you're
I'll put them all to sleep. Fuck it. And they just kill them. Oh crap, there's two more. That's better. Whoa, lots of coins. It's a nice reward for this nasty location. Okay, see the way to legal district, but I want to pick up some bone charms and this rune, so let's see what I can do here. Oh, come on, don't go. Nice. Perfect. Stay there. Nice. One more down. Think there is only one more left. Better to activate Void Gaze and be certain than to run into them and, well, have some trouble. This guy is going down. He's not going here. Or actually is he? Nope. Still not getting how to get to that rune. It is supposed to be downstairs somewhere. No idea. He actually did go downstairs somewhere. Or maybe that's the first, maybe that's the floor level that I was at before. Yup. Nothing new here. Let's let him run and then I'll kill him. Oh shit. Good move. All good for me. So I cleared this, picked up a key. Destroyed the gate. And where the hell am I now? See one bone charm up the stairs. Oh crap. Don't want to get seen now. Maybe I should save my game. How many are there, for fuck's sake? This might be more difficult than the original Dishonored. Oh yes. New bone charm and one shrine location. Outsider location, that is. Excellent. Now let's see what this bone charm does. From the 78 draw the world. What the fuck? Okay, I'm gonna think about it later. Let's see what the bone charm does. Take less damage from falls. Yeah, why not? So there is key to legal district. But there should be some more bone charms around. Yes, one up there. And I still can't locate that rune.
This area is under lockdown. Any unauthorized individuals are to be considered suspicious and confronted immediately with lethal force.
Okay, so I see the entrance there. And the rune is somewhere around here. Maybe down there at the docks. Can I use this chain? Yes, I can. There it is. I do not know what's the deal with the water, so let's just use blink in case I do not want to die for nothing. Okay, can you please pick up the rune? Don't be an idiot. That's it. Now I can buy myself agility upgrade. Overall movement speed is increased. That's a must for sneaking. Okay, let's build this. I will conclude the video and see you in the next part.